Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess with yourself. First, set up your chessboard with all 32 pieces. Decide if you will play as white or black first. The key is to mentally separate yourself into two distinct players, each with their own unique strategy and perspective. This allows for a challenging and engaging solo experience, simulating a real opponent. After making a move for one side, it is crucial to physically or mentally switch your perspective to the opposing player. Analyze the board from their point of view, considering their best possible countermoves and strategic goals. The challenge is to avoid favoring one side, striving for optimal play for both white and black, as if you were two separate individuals. To enhance your solo chess experience, consider documenting each move using standard algebraic notation in a notebook or digital tool. This record helps you track the game's progression and allows for valuable post-game analysis. Reviewing past moves can reveal potential blunders or missed tactical opportunities, improving your understanding of the game and your strategic thinking. To further enhance your solo play, try introducing time limits for each move, perhaps 30 seconds or 1 minute, to simulate pressure. Study opening theory and endgame principles to apply new strategies in your games. Analyzing Grandmaster games can also provide valuable insights into advanced tactics and positional understanding, helping you elevate your own chess skills significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.